2017 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, door reinforcement, braking assist. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, child safety locks, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, folding rear seats, power door locks, power windows, power steering, rear ventilated seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Every Honda is a product of innovative engineering and quality manufacturing. Your dealer performs an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection to ensure that each vehicle meets Honda standards. Only well-maintained Honda models are eligible. Honda certified used cars, so reliable they're certifiable.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.